Which one is your favorite food squishy toy from Amazon?
I think my favorite one, it's got to be the bonbons.
The dumplings?
The dumplings. Yes, I like
The
the
bao
dumplings.
buns?
Yeah.
Why do you like those?
Because there's like air inside of it a little bit, along with the foam, and it just adds for a really fun squish squeeze. Whereas these other ones are just like solid foam.
What's your second favorite?
hmm The eggs are really fun because it's got like the solid little yolk in there. They can kind of like move around depending on how you squeeze it. It like comes along or it doesn't. And it's fun to see it like bulge out. I
Okay, your third?
think the butter stick, that one is a little bit softer than the other ones. The piece of toast, the loaf of bread, and the mango, and the banana. It's like a little bit softer foam, and it almost even kind of feels a little buttery.
Ooh. Have you smelled any of them?
No. Do they smell?
Some of them.
Oh, the mango one smells like mango. Banana smells like banana a little bit. I mean, I don't know really. I've never really sniffed butter, but
Like sweet cream.
a little bit like sweet cream. I don't think that one smells. And neither does this one, I don't think.
Oh, weird. This one smelled the most to me.
Did it really?
Yeah,
Well,
smell it again.
I'm kind of clogged up.
It smells like that bread I made the other day.
I guess kind of like the brioche,
Yeah.
a little bit. I think the mango probably smells the strongest. Banana, yeah, the mango.
Which one would you give to your mom?
Mhm. I think these ones, what are they? The bonbons or
Dumplings?
dumplings? Yeah, dumplings or the stick of butter. I actually like the stick of butter more and more.
What do you like about it?
You can actually squeeze it kind of harder than like the eggs. Like I would be kind of afraid to pop this because it's got like some sort of liquid in it.
Okay.
It doesn't
Ooh,
seem
what if
super
we cut
thick.
them open? Maybe
Yeah,
for another video.
yeah. But yeah, the bonbons, the dumplings are my favorite.
I like that they come in this little house
Yeah, it's cute.
with like a little lid.
Mm-hmm. Good night.
People like to put those on their desk as like a soothing stress reliever.
I can see that. See, it's got like foam inside of it. Almost like shaving cream or something, but it's like thicker than shaving cream.
Ooh, we'll have to cut one open.
Yeah,
We'll do another video where we cut some of them open. See what's inside. This is the one I thought that you would like the most.
I mean, that's grown on me for sure.
It's just so sensitive to the
Yeah,
touch.
it is. It's
It's
like
like tender, but you also still want to squeeze it real
totally.
tight.
I like the like with like this one, you can feel like the foam go between your fingers kind of when you
Oh,
are squeezing it.
let me try. Ooh, oh, you
See what I
can.
mean?
Yeah, it's like a really thick, like
It looks like shaving
material.
cream or some sort of
I like the
cream.
top, what it looks like.
Yeah,
It really does look like a little bao bun.
totally.
And the little face is cute and it pops out when you squeeze it.
For sure.
All right, well, thanks for reviewing and
Mm-hmm.
ranking these food squishies with me.
Of course.
I hope that you like this video and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one.